everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I want to talk about a crucial task in the reading section of the PTE academic, that is reorder paragraph task. This task challenges your ability to arrange and jumble sentences into a coherent and a logical sequence. Much like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, understanding how sentences connect and flow within a paragraph is essential, not only for this test but also for a real-world communication. In the reorder paragraph task, you will be presented with a series of sentences that are out of the order. Your job is to rearrange them so that they form a meaningful paragraph. This task is not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about understanding how ideas build on each other and how they relate in context. The first step is solving this puzzle is to identify the topic sentence in a most well-structured paragraphs. The topic sentence comes first and introduces the main idea or a subject. It often contains a journal statement or a proper noun and sets the tone of the rest of the sentence. Think of it as the foundation upon which the other sentences will rest. Without a solid start, the paragraph cannot make sense. Next, focus on the connections between our sentences. This is where your ability to understand the logical flow of our ideas really come into a play. Look for linking words or transition phrases like however, therefore, in addition, or as a result. These words provide clues about which sentence should follow another. For example, a sentence beginning with a however is likely contrasting something that was mentioned previously, helping you to identify its place in the sequence. Pronouns and reference words are also critical in guiding the reordering process. If a sentence starts with a word like he, she, it, or they, it usually referring to something or someone introduced earlier. This gives you a clue about where the sentence belongs in the order. By paying attention to these references, you can establish connections between the sentences and form a logical flow. Another thing to keep in mind is to chronological or logical order of events. If the sentences describe a process, timeline, or a series of events, they will likely to follow a natural sequence such as cause and effect of an action and consequences. Organizing these sentences in a correct order will allow the paragraph to make a sense from beginning to end. Lastly, be on the lookout for a cohesive devices like article, adjectives, or demonstrative pronouns. Words like this, that, these, and those can point back to the previously mentioned ideas or a subject, giving you more clues about how the sentences are related. In summary, the reorder paragraph task is about more than just finding the right word. It's about understanding how ideas connect and build on each other. By identifying the topic sentences, analyzing connections and pronouns, are considering logical or chronological flow, you can successfully rearrange the sentence into a coherent and a meaningful paragraph. This skill is not just important for the PTE exam, it is essential for academic writing, professional communication, and everyday life. So mastering these tasks will serve you well beyond the test. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form, link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.